guys, and welcome to the new video. It's very short. It's a video where I will show you my skyscraper building with concrete-less design. Design which focuses on minimizing concrete use. Concrete is a decent block in Minecraft. The biggest problem, it's too smooth. A real life object have textures. When you really go to facade, you really can see it has a texture. It's not smooth, but concrete is Minecraft has a problem between real life blocks and Minecraft blocks. Nice buildings in real life world, new buildings are mostly made from concrete, and concrete is of course ugly in real life. But you have facade. But you don't have a facade. You can make facade, but that facade is also it's not some unusual blocks like in Minecraft. In Minecraft, concrete is not even strong to TNT as obsidian, so it's not strong. It's not very nice block. You have two worlds in Minecraft. You have world of hyper-realistic texture packs, and you have world of vanilla texturing. And this is something in between hyper-realistic texture packs. It looks okay in concrete, and it has some level of texturing in vanilla Minecraft. So I will explain this design to you. So first thing to have is to have a good shape. To make a little bit complicated shape. That's first thing. Also, this is reference from Toronto Dominion Bank Tower, but different shape. So I place these pillars, and each floor is separated by two blackstone blocks. And these are just I think they serve extra strength purpose, and they also add the level of depth to our building, which is cool because all buildings have some depth. Depth, you can make depth by using stairs, by using glass panes, walls. You can make depth in Minecraft by using these blocks. So yeah, so I used this as pillars, similar to these buildings. So black concrete is used as pillars, and glass is used as in all modern skyscrapers, and floor separation is done by blackstone, and extra stability is done by polished blackstone walls. And this looks very nice. This is a roof made from diorite. You can use any white block really, or gray blocks. You can add even texturing, but I just let it go to be diorite. Interior is not finished, but it will be finished soon, and this is a part of Sporetus neighborhood, which will be finished until 2 years of city, 6th June. Alongside checking out the server, here is IP. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more Minecraft building tips, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support Minecraft and programming content. See you in the next video. See you later.